Hello and welcome once again. In this video, we are going to start a new section, and the focus of this section is to study about the different types of collection data types that are available to us in Python. And by collection data types, what I mean is some various data types that helps us to store related items into one variable. So up until now, all the variables we have created are usually storing just one values, okay? But what happens if you have the need to store a list of items, okay? So maybe you want to store a list of books, or you want to store something like a record that has related information about a particular item. Let's say you have a student, and so you want to create a student record in which you can find the student first name, last name, email address, and maybe class and course of study and other information. Then you agree with me that what we know so far wouldn't allow us to be able to achieve that. So what we are going to do now is to learn about the various collection data types out there in Python, and we are going to learn the different dynamics and the operations that are supported by each of these collection data types, and also how to access individual items from the various data types that are available for us in Python. So let's take a quick pause, and I'll see you in the next video where we start talking about a collection data type known as the tuple. So I will see you very soon.